Hello everyone, welcome to this video. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can unblock accounts over on the Snapchat app. So in order to unblock accounts, literally all you need to do is open the Snapchat app, just like this. And once you have done that, simply go to the top left corner of your screen at your profile picture. Once you've done that, go to the top right corner of your screen and click on the little gear icon right here. And once you've done that, simply scroll all the way to the downside till you find, let me quickly find it, privacy controls. Then right here you will find blocked users, and when you click on that you will see a list of all the users you have blocked. However, here's also the way in order to actually unblock them, and that's simply on this screen by clicking on this little X right here, and then it will say, are you sure you want to unblock this Snapchatter? Click on yes, and now we can see that I have no one blocked anymore, and I just unblocked Team Snapchat. And yeah, that's basically how you can unblock people on Snapchat. So if you learned something from this video, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.